Hi everyone, a very good evening. Everyone, a very good evening. Hope you are doing well. Yeah, many of you are from DAV Public School. Okay, St. Xavier's. Fine. So we are going to start today. The chapter name is Computation Operations. What do you mean by computation operations? Do you mean operations means the surgeries or what? What do you mean by computation operations? What are the four fundamental operations in mathematics? Yes, operations. Yes, what are they? What are the four fundamental operations in mathematics? I want answers. The four fundamental operations in the mathematics are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Yes, very good. Yes, I can see addition, subtraction, divide, multiply. Great, superb. Now, if I go with addition, the answer obtained in addition is called what? The answer that you get after adding the numbers are called what? Yes, very good. It's called sum. The result that you get after, the result that you get after subtracting the number is called what? Yes, there is very good difference. Very good, Sanvi. It's called difference. And what is the answer that we get after multiplying the number? It's called left. No. Yes, it's called product. Okay, the answer that you get after dividing the number is called what? Superb. The answer that you get after dividing the number. Yes, it's called quotient. Yes. Now, coming to the next part, if I say the answer that you get after adding the numbers are called addition, then what are the number that gets added is called what? They are called what? Suppose I say 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 and 2 are called what? Addend. No, it's not addend, it's addends. Very good. Addends. Now, when I say 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, what is 3 called? What is 2 called? 3 is called what? Do you know the term? Minuend, superb. Who said that? Krishna. Minuend. And 2 is called the subtrahend. Very good. And the answer that you got is called the difference. Product, if I say 3 into 2 equals to 6. What is 3? What is 2? 3 is called the what? Yeah? Not multiple. Not multiple. Think and tell me. Yes, it's called multiplicand. And 2 is called what? Multiplier. Right? Now, okay, superb. Krishna again, Mamta, very good. Now, division, the number that's get divided. If I say 12 divided by 3 equals to 4. What is 12? What is 3? Okay, Aryan, can you answer this? Yes, 12 is what? What do we call? No, don't say what is 12? Is it a divisor or a dividend? Yes, it's very good, Priyanka. It is called dividend. The number that gets divided is called the dividend, and the number by which we divide is called the divisor. Right? Supposedly, if my question is 13 divided by 3, here I get my quotient as what? 4 and my remainder as 1. This leftover is my remainder. Yes or no? Correct? Okay, fine. Now I'm coming to the next part. When you add, when you do addition, do you know just uh I want to start the topic with some fun thing. Do you know there is a poem for addition? What is that poem? Anybody who knows? If you know, just say I know it. That much. If you don't know, say I don't know. No? Should I write it? Okay. You know that, Sujay. Okay. Very good. You don't know, Aryan. Okay. Many of you don't know. So it's fun. Today you are going to teach this to your parents. Okay. It's written adds up to 9. Everything. My handwriting is. Okay. Adds up to 9. Everything is fine. 10 or more, move to the next door. Do you know? Shall I give you one example to prove this? Sounds interesting, right? Okay, Aliva, great, you know, but very few of you know this. So adds up to 9, everything is fine, 10 or more, move to the next door. For example, if I say 631 plus 236. So 6 plus 1, 7, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Now here, all the sum are less than 9. So everything is fine. But suppose the number is 309 plus 124. If I add, your answer is 433, isn't it? 9 plus 4 is 13. So 10 or more move to the next door. So 1 is carried forward to the next door and 3 remains at the unit's place. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Did you like this poem? Yeah, it's good. Glad that you liked it. Okay, good. Okay, now there is an interesting poem for subtraction also. Do you know? How many of you know the poem of subtraction? Any one of you who know the poem of subtraction? No, 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 no. Okay. Okay. The poem says, more on the top, no need to stop. More on the floor, move to the next door and get 10 more. Numbers the same. Ho, ho, ho. 0 is the game. Yeah, you liked it? Let us take one example. More on the top, no need to stop. More on the floor, move to the next door and get 10 more. Numbers the same, 0 is the game. So for example, if I take an example of 58 minus 15. More is on the top. 8 is more than 5. 5 is more than 1. So it is no need to stop. It's normal calculation. Now coming to this represent this. Now if more on the floor, move to the next door and get 10 more. For example, if it is 56 minus 18. So 6 is not more than 8, it is less than 8. I'll move to the next door and get 10 more. Yeah, and I got 38. Numbers the same. That means if I say maybe same number, 5 minus 5, 51 minus 51, or even if I say 56 minus 6, if you subtract the same number, you get 0. Yeah, or you do just 56 minus 56 also is 0. When you subtract any two digit, the difference is 0. I hope this poem was also good. Yeah. Wow, so funny. Okay. Good. Fine. So now we will come to the properties of addition. Do you know the properties of addition? The properties of addition. What is the first property of addition? First property of addition. Yeah. The first property is what? Okay, I will tell you the word and you are going to tell me. Is my screen visible? Yes. I'm going to tell you the word and you are going to tell me an example of it. Okay. So the example is the first property is order property. Very good. Number can be added in any number in any order. The sum remains the same. Very good. Can you give one example on this? Additive property is also one property. Okay. Yes. Can you give me one example? If I say, suppose 5 plus 6 is same as 6 plus 5, isn't it? 6 plus 5 is 11. 5 plus 6 is also 11. The sum remains the same. Even if you change the order of numbers, the sum remains the same. Oh, very good, Rajeshri. 4 plus 2 is 6. 2 plus 4 is also 6. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 1 plus 9 is 10. 3 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 3. Superb. Very good. Next, what is the second property? What is the second property? Yes, somebody said that. Somebody wrote it previously. Additive property of 0. It's not called 0 property, it's called additive property of 0. That means you add any number with 0, you get the same number. For example, 23 plus 0 is equal to 23. Yes or no? Associative property, okay, great. Closure property, great. We'll just do the important properties and one more property, it's grouping property. What do you mean by grouping property? What do you mean by grouping property? Okay, I liked your example. The property of 0. What do you mean by grouping property? Even if you change the grouping of numbers, the sum remains the same. For example, if I say 2 plus 3 plus 4. And here 2 and 3 are in one group. Now I'm saying I change my group from 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now 3 and 4 are in the same group. Now let's see, are the sums remain same? 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. Again here 2 and plus 7 is 9. The sum remains the same. Yes, there is distributive property also. We will come to that. We are just doing the three property as of today. You are correct, Subhecha. Subhecha. Okay, good. Same way, if I come to the properties of subtraction. Properties of subtraction. Can you tell me the property of subtraction? Yeah. Number one. What is the first? Okay, I like Khirod. Very good. Smita, good. Properties of subtraction. Who can tell me what are the properties of some? Let us consider here only. It's written order property. If the same order property is followed in subtraction, here even if you change the order of number, the sum remains the same. But in subtraction, can you change the order of number in subtraction? Tell me. Can you change the order of number? It's not visible. Who said that? Okay, let me share it again then. Yes. Order property. Tell me, can you change? We may subtract a larger number to smaller number. Very good. I liked it. Yes, order property means you cannot change the number. It should be minuend minus subtrahend. You cannot do subtrahend minus minuend. That means a larger number will be subtracted with a smaller number. Okay? Good. So for an example, if I say 10 minus 5, 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Yes? Now coming to the next property. When a number is subtracted from itself, what do we say? What is the difference? What is the difference when a number is subtracted with the same number? It's not visible, is it? How come? Yeah, many of you are answering. Okay, before I proceed further, please let me know, is my screen visible to you? No? Ma'am, clearly visible. Some of you are saying, some of you are saying visible, some of you are saying not visible. The best thing ever is the best thing that ever what? Yes, you all are correct. When a number is subtracted with the same number, you get 0. But is my screen visible? I want to know that. Can anyone help me? Ma'am, visible and audible. Okay, thank you so much. Then I'll proceed further. So when a number is subtracted with the same number, suppose 25 minus 25, you get 0. Right? Or when the minuend and the subtrahend are same, you get 0. Fine. Coming to the multiplication property. Yes. Can you change in multiplication? Just tell me, can we change the order of number in multiplication? Will the product change or it will remain the same? No, we cannot. We cannot change. If I say 5 into 6 is equal to 6 into 5. Okay, 1 into 2, 2 into 1. Very good. We can change. Very good. So the order property of multiplication is even if we change the order of number, the product remains the same. Now the second property is if any number gets multiplied by 1, the product is the number itself. Yes? Okay, 4 into 3 is same as 3 into 4. 7 into 2, a vikalp. Oh, very good. Good, good, good. That's nice. And what when if the any number that gets multiplied by 0? What is the product? Yes, Sri Devi, very good. Any number that gets multiplied by 0 is always 0. Very good. I like it. Yes, sorry. Am I audible now? I said somebody asked me, ma'am, why the name is not mentioned. It is same order property, multiplicative property of 1, multiplicative property of 0, and grouping property. Now here 2 and 3 are in one group, 10 and 2 are in one group. Will the product remain the same or it is going to change? Will the product remain same or it is going to change? It is going to be same. So it is 3 into 6. This is also 60 and this is also 60. So we are done with this. Okay. Now I'll just do a very simple thing about division. You all know the property of division. When a number gets divided with the same number, I'm not going to write, just tell me when a number gets divided with the same number, what is the quotient? Yes, the quotient is always 1. Very good, Priyanka Mahanti, Debasmita Samantre. When a number gets divided by 1, it's always the number itself. Now, if I say when 0 is divided by any number, what is the quotient? When 0 is divided by any number, what is the quotient? Is it 1? All properties of subtraction are same for division. Okay, very good. Very good, it is 0. Because if nothing is there to be distributed, makes no sense, right? Suppose, yes. So if I have 0 chocolates, how can I distribute among 3 students? Now, if I change this 3 divided by 0, then if I change 3 divided by 0 is what? It's not possible, Priyanshi says that. Bhumika also says that. Okay. Not possible. So, will you write your answer not possible? Or we can write it is meaningless? Or we can write undefined? This is the right word. Okay, don't say not possible. And never say it is infinity also. That is also wrong. It's meaningless or undefined. Okay, can you prove? Okay. Now, multiplication is repeated addition. Why? Why multiplication is called repeated addition? Multiplication is a process of repeated addition. Why? Because it is added many times. What is added many times? We add repeatedly. Okay. Very good. For example, here I'll say, suppose I want to add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So here 2 is added how many times? 4 times. So I say 8, right? Even if you add 2 plus 2 plus 2, you get 8. That is why multiplication is the process of repeated addition. Now, why is division called repeated subtraction? Why is division called repeated subtraction? Who can tell me this answer? Why is division called repeated subtraction? Okay, very good. Happy kiddo. Okay, I liked your example. 2 is added 5 times and 2 times 5 is 10. Very good. Because we subtract, Rajeshri says, okay, Rajeshri, very good to see your answer. Last time also you were very active. It's called repeated sub because we go on subtracting because we subtracted many times. Can you give me one example? Who can give me one example of a repeated subtraction? Subtract repeated. Okay. If I say 20 divided by 5 is equal to what? And you have to show your answer doing repeated subtraction. How are you going to do that? Very good. 5 minus 5 minus 5. No, Hitesh, I don't think you are correct here. 20 minus 5 minus 5. Okay, Satvik, I understood what are you trying to say. 4. So here actually it is, we go on writing like this. See, 20 minus 5 is how much? 15. Then again I do minus 5. I will go on subtracting with 5 till I get 0. 15 minus 5 is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now we are going to check how many times did we actually subtract minus 5. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times and 4 times. This 4 is your answer. Got it? How many times you are subtracting? That's your answer. Yes, very good. Anirudh, well done. Very good, Ayush. Divyanshi, perfect. Fine. So this is, we are done. Now, do you know there is a story to do division? Do you know how to do that? How to do? Division means what? Equal sharing. So division is just like your family member. How it is like a family member? Who can tell me that? Division is like a family member because if I tell you a number, okay, I give you a number 42796 and you have to divide this number by 9. Now the number 42,796 is your dividend and 9 is your divisor, right? Now here subtraction, please pay attention. Do not chat because this is something interesting. Division is like a family members. Okay. Here, mother is going to play a role. Sister is also going to play a role. And brother is also going to play a role. Mother. M for mother. M for multiply. S for sister. S for subtraction. Brother. Brother, what does B stand for now? B for what? B for bring down. Now, how to apply this? See, mother is going to say the multiplication table of, mother is going to say the multiplication table of 9. Can she divide 9 with 4? 9 divided by 4 is not possible, right? So, we are going to take a 2-digit number, which you must be aware of. So, 9, how much should we take? 9 nines are no. 9 4s are 36. Now after this, mother, sister is going to subtract. So move to the next door and get 10 more. I got 6. Again, after sister, who does the work? Brother. Brother will bring 7 down. Again, after brother, mother is going to do the work. Mother will say the multiplication table of 9, but she cannot go more than 67. So what should she go with? 9 sevens are 63. So again, sister is going to subtract. 67 minus 63 is 4. And then sister said, I am done. Brother, it's your turn. So brother said, okay, I am bringing the digit 9 down. And brother says, mommy, it's your turn. 9, how much of 49? No, it does not come. So what should I go with? What should I go with? 9 nines are 81. No, not possible. 9 fives are 45. Excellent. Who's that? Avikal. Okay. 45. Now again, sister is going to subtract and she said, it's 4 and I am done. I am tired like anything. Now brother is going to bring the number down. That is 6. After brother again, mother. 9 table. What should okay, again it is 5. 45. And they said, oh, we are done. Mother, sister, brother, they all gave a high five and said, well done, we are done. Now you must be thinking, what about daddy? Where is daddy? Mother is doing her work, sister is doing her work, brother is doing D for daddy and D for division as well. So daddy means division. He's observing everything. Okay. Will you remember this story of division? How mother, sister, brother, they all work together. They shared the work together to do the division sum. Okay, now I'm going to practice few questions. Here we go. Can you see my first question on the screen? Is my first question visible? Please say yes. Dad and division. Very good, Ayush. Yes, ma'am. Yes, my screen is visible. Okay, great. Now, I will be giving this question. You are going to answer, and then I'll explain. You last time we did Roman numbers, right? So you are asked to find the value of this two Roman numbers, but of course we did operations, so you are going to find the difference as well. Please find the difference. What does this stands for? Yeah. M M D C C C L X stands for what? M M D C C L I stands for what? Yes, who can tell me that? Please help me out. What is the first number? Oh wow, very good. Who said that? Sujay, it's 2860 minus what is the second number? 2753. And what's the difference? It's 107. And that's your answer. That's your answer, right? Okay, well done, smart kids. Coming to the next question. Fathom is a unit used by sailors to measure the depth of water. If a sunken ship was located under water at 240 feet, then which expression would describe the location of the ship in fathoms? If 1 fathom is equal to 6 feet, then how am I going to solve this? Okay, if 1 fathom is 6, if I say it is 12 fathom, then is equal to how much? 12 fathom is equal to dash feet. Okay, you all are saying it's the answer should be 240 divided by 6. Very good, Sujay. You're so prompt. No, my question is different. 12 fathom means 48. No, it means 2 feet. Sorry, it's 12 fat. Okay, my question was wrong. My bad. If I say 2 fathom means how many feet? Okay, so many of you said the right answer also. 2 fathom now. Yes, very good. It's 12. Now, how are you getting this 12 actually? You are multiplying this with this. 6 into 2 is equal to 12. So now the question changed to dash fathom and 240 feet. So what should I do here? Now here, this is missing, right? This is missing. So what we are doing? 12 divided by 6. So here we will do 240 divided by 240 divided by what? Yes, 6. And what's the answer? 40. Very good, Apurva. It's not 72. Who said that? 72. Rajeshri, please check. Very good. Moving to the next question. Study the following statements and select the correct option. Statement 1 is product of 774 and 1001 is same as the product of 1001 and 774. And statement 2 is when a number, okay, just tell me whether this is right or wrong. This statement is true or false. Is it correct? Statement 1. Yes, it is correct. Very good. That means you understood the order property of multiplication. I'm very happy in this class. Oh, I am also happy to read this. True. Very good. It's true. I'm writing true then. Now, statement 2 is when a number is divided by itself. Suppose 5 divided by 5. The quotient and the remainder both is 1. Both are 1. False. Only the quotient is 1. The remainder cannot be 1. The remainder will be 0. So this is false. Very good. Perfect. Next, do you know what are prime numbers? Only the quotient is 1, yes. No, you don't know what are prime numbers? Okay, but you know what are factors and multiples, right? Okay, so prime numbers are the numbers that never comes in any multiplication table except 1 and the number itself. For example, if I say 3, 3 will come only in multiplication table of 3 and in the table of 1. It will not come in any other table. So that is a prime number. Now 35. 35 will come in 35 table, 1 table. But does it come in any other table? 35. Yes, the number is divisible by itself and 1. Very good. Are called prime numbers. Thus, yes, it comes in 7. So apart from these two, if it is coming in any extra table, that means it is not a prime number. What about 88? It will come in 88 table, 1 table. Any other table? Multiplication table? 2 factors, yes. It comes in 11 table. So this is again extra. This is not a prime number. 41 will come in 41 and 1. Does it come in any other table? Any other multiplication table? No. So this is a prime number. Okay. 92 will come in 92, 1, 2 and many more. So even if you get 1 extra, then yes, 41 is the answer. Absolutely correct. Coming to the next, this is very easy peasy lemon squeezy. Which of the following option makes the given expression true? You have to find out the value of this. Who can find out? Let me see. Who can find out this? What is the difference between these two numbers? 8,25,431 minus 10,254. What's the difference? Happy, happy, happy. Okay, but please type your answer. What is the difference between these two numbers? Very good. Who is that? Shupriya. Thank you so much. It is 8,15,177. And what is the sum of these two numbers? Who can tell me? What is the sum of these two numbers? Yeah, it's 7,57,549. So alligator is going to eat the greater number, of course. Which is the greater number? This. B is the right answer. Correct? Okay, coming to the next question. A factory produce these many tires. See, even if in the exam also, when it comes students, you should always insert commas, okay? Because it is easy for you to read. A factory produced these many tires in the month of May. Out of these, 6,782 tires were found defective in the quality check. How many tires were found defective? Just tell me, what should we do? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division? Yeah, tell me. Plus, minus, multiply, or divide. We are going to do subtraction. Krishna, it's not subtraction, it is subtraction. Very good. So can you tell me, please solve and let me know what is the difference of these two numbers? Quick, quick, quick. 8938. Supriya, Jena, very good. The answer is 8,93858. Is it so? Let me check. 8,938. Superb. Very good. You all are correct. Oh, I love this kind of sums. And I wanted to give more questions on this. What would be the number in the start box? When you have to find the value of this number, which when divided by 16 will give you 20 and no, what which when divided by 60 will give you a number and that number gets multiplied by 20 will give you this number 1,32,300. Do you know the trick to solve this? Do you know the trick to solve this? Anyone? We have to solve how? What is the trick to solve such question? No, you don't know? Okay. Then it will be fun for me to teach you. You have to go backward by changing the sign. Ulta jana hai and you have to change the sign. So what is the ulta means? Yes, from last to first. So the number is 1,32,820, isn't it? Now it is written multiply by 20. What is the opposite sign of multiplication? जैसे प्लस का उल्टा साइन माइनस होता है, माइनस का उल्टा साइन प्लस होता है. So multiplication का उल्टा साइन is division. Very good. So I'll divide it by 20. Then again it is written divided by 16. So multiply by 16. Yes. Now tell me, if I divide this number, how much am I getting? Yeah. 106. Are you telling me the final answer? Yes, your answer is correct. When you divide 132,820 divided, just cancel the 0. 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 9 are 18. So it is 6691 multiply by 16, and that gives you 106256. Superb. Very good, Satvik. Well done. So always when such question come to find out the starting number, that means you have to go backward by changing the sign. Okay? Fine? Good. Next question. A factory produced, again, the first rule is we are supposed to put commas. Yes, a factory produced 4,75,812 pens of one kind and 6,51,652 pens of another kind. All the pens are mixed thoroughly and packed equally in 296 boxes. How many pens are packed in the boxes? Now, there are two steps to be done to get the final answer. Step 1 and step 2. Can you tell me what is the first step? What is our first step? Addition. Very good. Krishna again. Add, and the second step is divide. Apurva. Very good. Who said multiply? No. Krishna. Very good. So I'm going to add 4,75,812 plus 6,51,652. Please tell me the sum. I am not good now. You people are faster than me. Please tell me what is the sum. What is the sum? I want answers. I know I am teaching you operations. That does not mean that you will only tell me the operations. You have to calculate as well. Okay, dancer Priyanshi. I will mention your name. Okay. Yes, very good. Many of you wrote the answer. Purva, Supriya, Satvik. Very good. The answer is 1,1,2,7,4,6,4. Super. And then I am going to divide it, right? I'm going to divide 1,1,2,7,4,6,4 divided by what? Divided by me. Divided by Satvik. Divided by Hridoy. Chinmoy. What? We are going to divide it by what? By 296. Very good, Kirot. Can you please do the division for me and tell me the answer? Very good, Hridoy. You said it correct, Minakshi. Very good, Apurva. Yes, you all are absolutely correct. Bunty. Yes, it is. What is the answer? It is 3. Many of your writings tell the sum. Okay, fine. No issues. The answer is 3,809. Many of you have written 3,089. No, it's 3,809. Okay. You have to do the calculation by yourself. Fine. Next question. Multiples means what? Multiples means if I say what is the first multiple of 2 is 2. What is the second multiple of 2? 4. Third multiple means 6. That means we are saying the multiplication table. Now this star, you are asked to find the value of star. Now the star is, I know difference means subtraction. Between the 6th and 10th. So I'm writing 6th. I'm writing 10th. multiple of 7. What is the 6 multiple of 7? That means 7 6 are how much? 7 multiplied by 6 is how much? 56. Very good, Shubhpriya. And then what is 7 multiplied by 10? It's 70. So the 6 multiple of 7 is 56 and the 10th multiple of 7 is 70. Is that my final answer? No. We are supposed to find the difference. 70 minus 56. More on the top. No need to stop. More on the floor. Move to the next door and get 10 more. Numbers the same. 0 is the game. We got how much? So it is twice the difference, right? I wrote a mistake. I did a mistake here. It's 7 6 are 42. Why none of why everybody wrote 56? Yes, it is 70 minus 42. What is 70 minus 42? Yeah, it is 28. More on the top. No need to stop. More on the floor. Move to the next door. Now, this 28 is not my final answer, students. It's written that the value of this star is twice of the difference. Twice means multiply by 2. So, 28 into 2 is how much? That's your answer. 28 into 2 is 56. Very good. Okay, very good. Coming to question number 10. Now there are 2 sun and 1 moon. And the value of 2 sun plus 1 moon is 230. And the difference between the moon and the sun is 5. What is the value of moon? What should I do here? Can I say my 2? I'm writing 2s. Okay. 2s means 2 sun. Plus, please pay attention. These questions are very important for the Olympiad and we do mistakes here. Okay. So, my 2 sun plus 1 moon and 1 moon is equal to 230. Can I say this is from here? Okay. I got this from here. Okay. Now, if I change this to, it's written the second one is your moon minus sun, right? So I'm writing your moon, 1 moon minus 1 sun is equal to 5. With this, can I say that if I change this to my sun is equal to moon minus 5? Can I say this? Yes or no? Yes, very good. Because I'm changing it, okay? The sun is where it is and the moon has gone to the 5 side. So it is m minus 5. Now I'm going to put the value. This is 1 and this is 2. Now if I put the value of this, sun is equal to moon plus this. So now I'm going to please look here. It's written 2 sun. What is the value of 1 sun? 1 sun is m minus 5. So it is 2 whole into m minus 5 plus moon is equal to 230. With this, I'm going to proceed further. Can I say this is implies that 2, this bracket means no multiplication, students. 2 m minus what is 2 into 5. So I'm multiplying 2 with m. I'm also multiplying 2 with 5. 2 5s are 10. Okay. Then plus moon is equal to 230. Now what's next? This 2 moon and 1 moon is how much? This no sign means it is always a plus sign. 2 moon plus 1 moon is 3 moons. So I am bringing both the things together. Minus 10 equals to 230. Now how we did in the previous equation, no? We changed the sign. Here also we are going to do the same thing. Now this 3m, I am bringing this letter is one side. The numbers are in one side. So I'll say 230 plus 10, which is equal to 240, right? So I'll say 3m is equal to 240. Now, 3m means what, students? I will say it means 3 into what is equal to 240? 3 multiplied by what is equal to 240? What will I do here to find the value of m? I will. Very good, Sujay. I'm going to divide. So m is equal to 240 divided by 3. And the answer is 80. Apurva, very good. There is no Mahendra Dhoni here. Okay. Number 10 is a bit tricky question. It's bit critical thinking. You have to go with the equation, darling. Suchishmita. Right. You have to go with the equation to find the answer. I repeat again. The value is given 2 sun plus 1 moon is 230. And then moon minus sun is equal to 5. You are asked to find out the value of only one moon. So, what I did with this second equation, 1 moon plus 1 sun equals to 5. So, what I did, I found out the value of sum with this equation only. I said that sum and the moon went near 5. Okay. So it became minus because 5, before 5 there is no sign. No sign means plus sign. So when a number moves to one direction from left to right or right to left, the symbol gets changed. The operations gets changed. So it was plus, it get converted to minus. Now this here it is written 2s. 1s is m minus 5. So 2s is 2 whole into m minus 5 plus the other things remain same. And then I am doing the calculation part. If you want, I can, in the next class, we can practice few more questions on this. Okay? Okay, last question for today. What must be subtracted from 1 million to get this? How to do this? 1 million minus what is equal to 869500. If you get confused, students, always take a small example. What should I subtract with 7 so that I get 4? Tell me. 3, of course. How are you getting 3? 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Right? So 1 million means how many zeros? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many zeros? 1 million means how many zeros? Last class we taught. Do you know there is a trick also to learn a number of zeros? See, I'm writing million. And then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1. Easy, right? It's a trick to remember. Million. So I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 869500. Please find the difference. Yeah, what is the difference? Tell me that as well. Very good, Rajeshri. You are correct. Satvik, you are also correct. Oh, you are from Bhubaneswar, Priyanka. I'm from Cuttack. Okay. Priyanshi, sure, we will practice question number 10 again. I will come with 3-4 types of questions on this only. Okay. That's a promise. Yes, the answer is 130500. That's my answer. Okay, I'll wind up the class here only, but there is a request. I have a request for you all. Do you know there's a special thing on Sunday? What is that? There's a special thing on Sunday. What? What is there? Is it my birthday, your birthday? Whose birthday? Okay, you people are from Cuttack. Great. There are people from Cuttack as well. Glad to read that, to know this. No class. What is a special thing on Sunday that there is no class? Mother's Day. Very good, Sanvi. You love your mother. That means Sashmita, Ayush. Very good. So you know what? I will be sharing a number as of now, and you are supposed to share a very nice picture with your mother in that number. Okay, you are going to send your mother picture, and then we may have a small surprise after that. Will you share your picture? Yes? Yes or no? Mother's Day. Yes, it is Mother's Day. I am sharing the number. You are supposed to share your photos here. It's okay, whoever it is, my mom is in hospital. You might be having any old picture of your mother, baby. You can share that as well, okay? I have shared the number. Please do share and bye. Good night. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye.